Today I figured we would go and explore Hollywood. So I'm going to take you guys to more of like the tourist area. We're going to go to Griffith Observatory and then see the Hollywood sign and possibly go check out the Walk of Fame.
But I've got to have my dreams, or this whole world would just be a mess for me. Don't you see? So I take it day by day. I won't put my heart away.
Gizmo's pretty excited. He's all ready. Oh. So we made it to the Griffith Observatory. Gizmo's a little hot. Look, you can see the city. It's right there, Gizmo.
Gizmo just could not get enough of the Hollywood sign. So I told him we could go and, you know, get a closer look of the sign. But after we had some water, of course.
The beginning. Come on, Gizmo. Go. He just wants to keep going to the top. But we're not going to do that today, Gizmo. We did that last time. Plus it'll take us another hour to get there. So we've made it to the Hollywood sign. We had some bumps and bruises coming on up here, but we made it once again. I always recommend taking beechwood, because then you can actually see a really cool, I call it like a little path, where then you can actually see the Hollywood sign and then there's palm trees on the side, which is always kind of neat, and it's in a lot of movies. And then after beechwood, you're going to take a left on ledgewood, which will then bring you up into the hills, and you'll go around in a couple winding circles and run into a lot of other cars, because there's only one way. And only one car can pretty much fit. Definitely not like Wisconsin. And then once we parked, we finally started walking towards the sign and climbing up the mountain, because there's no trail to get to it. And Gizmo got stuck in the bushes. Gizmo is crying for help. I need to go get him. He's stuck in the bushes. Coming, sweetie. He was stuck in the bushes. Oh. Come on. Come on up. I can't reach you. Come on. Come on. Come on. I can't reach you. Come on. What? Okay. We got Gizmo. All full of branches. Oh. This seemed a lot easier than it actually is. Yep. He cried a lot. And then I had to go get him. And then I got wounded. I biffed it and fell when I was trying to get Gizmo. I'm bleeding. That's okay. Gizmo's worth it. But now we finally made it. So it's a pretty cute, cool view. Great view of looking out past the Hollywood sign too. It's actually a great view of seeing the city and a lot of the Hollywood Hills houses and stuff like that. So it's kind of neat. I hope you guys enjoyed the view and mine and Gizmo's adventure up to the Hollywood sign. we're going to do kind of a Dorothy and Toto theme in Hollywood. Instead of the walk of the yellow brick road, we're going to do the walk of the stars, following the stars. Gizmo and I were off to Hollywood. We're going to shoot our poster for our series. Well, Gizmo's excited to go, so listen to him. Okay, Gizmo, we'll go, we'll go.
Take your time, find your place. The city doesn't know you yet by now. You're just another face in town. Let go of all the reasons why you came. Your answers might come easier when you're left out in the rain. Your tears could fall forever if you never take control. You may never find your answers if you're not looking in your soul. So open up your mind, you can never close the door. You might find yourself inside and what you're looking for. If you find yourself falling, just look down. When you find yourself alone, just take one look around. When you find yourself afraid, I'll be the light you see. When you finally find yourself, you find yourself with me. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Don't look back, it's holding you down. Your eyes are meant to see straight ahead and show you where you're bound. And you'll go far on your Manhattan stars, but your views are only blinded by your past. Your paradise of sandy roads have turned to skyline stacked of stone. Every bridge you cross will take you home. Your lavish clothes can keep you warm, but they won't get you through the storms. There's only so